Hello, welcome to Dave's Auto. Today I'll be working on a 2015 Jeep Latitude, Jeep Cherokee Latitude, and I will be replacing the shifter assembly. I'll be replacing the shifter assembly. There's a problem with the shifter assembly, and it's not working. It's not really working with the transmission. So I've already diagnosed the problem, and it is the shifter assembly. So I already got one, a used one, and I'm gonna remove the old one and then replace it with the one from the used parts place. All right. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pry this cover over here. Yeah, I'm gonna pry it open, or I'm gonna take it off right here. Okay. Yeah, it's already pried. Okay. So that one is off, and then we got two screws. It's a 10mm screws that we can remove. And that's another one right here. All right, then we can take it off. All right, now we can go ahead and we can put this in neutral. That way it's out of the way. And then you can try to pry this one. Yeah. Okay. We can take this one off as well. Okay. And then we should be able to unclip it. There's a harness over here underneath of it. We can unclip it and then move this out of the way. All right, so this was the harness going behind that. Okay. All right, so I already unplugged it, put it on the side. Now we can just remove the whole cover, right, by just prying it out. Okay. Okay. And then we can just remove this and lay it to the side. Okay. Okay. So there's a plug right here, and it plugs in there. Okay. It plugs in this thing right here. So I unplugged it as well, and then that way I'll be able to move the whole cover out of the way. And now this is what we got. So the next thing we're gonna do is, we will be removing the retainer over here that holds the cable in place. We'll remove the retainer and then remove the 4 bolts that holds the shifter assembly to the floor. Okay, so it's right here. As you can see, there's one right there, the other one right there, and then the two up front. And it looks like it's a 10mm bolt. Well, it's nuts, 10mm nuts, and we're gonna need a long extension to be able to reach down there to take 1, 2, and then the other two at the front. That way we can lift the whole assembly out and put it to the side. So there's an 8mm bolt over here that holds the cable to the shifter. So we have to take that bolt out. Okay, it's on the side. I just took that bolt out, and we can just go ahead and remove the cable so we can take this off. Okay, so that's it right here. As you can see now, the cable is out. So what we need to do right now is take the 4 nuts out so we can remove it. Okay, and there's another plug behind it right here. This plug right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and unplug it, and we should be able to pull it out. Okay, so this is ready to come out. Okay, so there you go. It's out. So we can go ahead and put the new one in there. So basically it's going to be the same way. We set it in there, put the nuts on there, hold it in place, and plug everything up just like the way we took it apart. All right, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.